Hello dear friends, in this video we get to know about the factors affecting hemicellulose degradation. First is dosage of enzymes. The increase in enzyme concentration also increases the rate of hemicellulose degradation. The increase in enzyme concentration increases the number of active sites, which subsequently increases the product concentration. Second is substrate conversion. Xylose and arabinose production rates decrease rapidly after few hours of the enzymatic hydrolysis reaction. The percentage of arabinose content released during hydrolysis remains significantly lower than the percentage of xylose produced at the same time. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for the watching.